The teacher notes documents are there for additional professional learning. And there's a few different types of teacher notes. The first ones that I want to draw your attention to are those about, is BONBLOCS evidence informed? There's two documents there. The first one about the evidence base of BONBLOCS has got all the theory and research base behind it. It's quite a heavy read, but a really good one. The other document there is one that I encourage you to read quite early on, and it's about instructions and the use of mathematical language. And it talks about the importance of making connections between the gesturing of what you touch and the written symbols and the spoken language, really about how to do high quality evidence-based explicit instruction. The next set of teacher notes I want you to draw your attention to are professional learning about the maths concepts that come up through the BONBLOCS system. So for example, that first note is about part whole. The second one's about missing number equations, word problems, and then subtraction. So for example, as you're going through the system yourself, if you find, and these are all the different concepts that are covered, this column here, I'll just remove my face for you, is all about missing number questions over here. And so when my students are doing these boards, if I'm having trouble with this, I can go to the matching missing number teacher note to upskill myself. The last section of teacher notes that are in there are all about how to support students with learning difficulties. And there's three types of notes. This first one, called Developing Calculation Not Counting, is about students who have a specific learning difficulty in maths or dyscalculia, and what we can do to support them. The second one along is about how to support students who have working memory difficulties. And the third one is about how to support students who have general learning difficulties, not necessarily maths specific ones. I really hope that those teacher notes are helpful for you. It's not something that you probably want to dive into your first year of BONBLOCS, but they're there for you to be able to have ongoing professional learning over time. Thanks.